Everyone, today I'm going to show you my jungle cave build. This was supposed to be a fighter build, but now it's a jungle. Well, you can also use it for an EXP dig, but I prefer the jungler. Do you guys know why? You can farm more faster and what was that again? But I prefer this for the jungle build. There's another build for the EXP. Whoever wants to be the EXP build or something, they can have this build. Two of this for max damage. Here's the EXP build and the emblem. Yeah, okay, no, forgot about this one. But I prefer this more for me using. You guys pick whatever you want to use. I don't really care what you want, just use it. Okay, goodbye. I hope you enjoy this EXP build and jungle. And it carries me to this epic one, and the good old days. Do you guys know that? My old prime was I don't lose, but now you can see this. I'm not at my prime anymore, so I might keep losing now. And here's all I keep playing this game all the time, but I don't play it too much anymore because I'm kind of and what is that?
What's your command?
How do I show this? No. Where the freaking arms is that? Lad. Heck. Where is it? No. That one is it? No. Where is it? No. Where is it? Fine, here's my prime. Kind of bad, but not too bad. I mean, it's kind of bad, but also great. My prime used to be using the dot only. I hope you enjoyed this video. And here we go. By the way, if you want to see my build on Dirot, by the way, here. I might quit this game very soon, so I'm just showing you this builds. I don't really like this game anymore, but I'm still playing it just for fun. Here, you might enjoy it. There's one. That one on the first, and then the second one for, to counter mage heroes. This one is to counter damage and healers. I don't really like this game. Here, by the way, why this is vengeance split? There, you can copy that. You can copy anything now. I getting pretty soon. So hope you guys enjoy this. Bye bye. Hope you have a great time playing ML like me when I'm at my prime.